We are behind the back of the chair. And we are going to dance now in standing, okay? For coordination, leg strength. Together, we are going to do, everything is going to be all right, but in standing. Open to the side with a bent leg, and we come on top of the heel, right? So when we do this, we need to bend a little bit the knee because it's fluid, it's elastic, okay? And then the other side. Yes, this is our side tap that we did on the chair. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and one more round, in, out, and in. And then we add the push with the hand. So matching arm to the side, and 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and back. And then we look over the shoulder. So it's a big twist. Keep one hand on the chair, and with the index finger right side open, and really look back. So you're twisting a little bit with your hips, and look back as much as you can. And then you come back, and we take the other side, and we look over the shoulder. Yes, and we come back to center. And then the sign behind the shoulders is saying everything is going to be all right. So release your hands if you feel stable. And we are moving, so the knees are also like elastic. Yes, and if this is not safe, you keep one hand on the chair. Yes. Or you can do the sitting option. Good. And then we have the don't, no, nobody. So nobody. Yes. And then the don't. And then hit the panic button and don't overthink. Right? Good. Then from here we have the courtesy that we just did in staying. So out to the side, back, side, front, side, back, and take a courtesy. So as it, okay? And then other side, side, cross back, side, crossing front, side, cross back, and courtesy. Okay? Good. Okay, and then the core is repeating. And then we have the walking gait on the third verse, which is robot arm, and the leg is behind. So as we did in sitting, but we do it in standing. And then forward with the leg, back with the arm. And we march. On the beat, it's 8 times, so it's a little bit quicker here. And then we change. Tan, 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 tan. Okay? Good. We're going to try it. And then remember, we have the push the energy away 4 times. If in standing doesn't feel stable, you can always keep one hand and do it alternating your arms. Good. Let's start. So, finding the beat.
She rattled the ass in my plastic cup.
Left.
I said, yes, man, fill her up. Tell me something good that I don't know.
We add the arm.
This world's been kicking my behind. Life ain't been
we
a
are
friend
super
of mine.
synchronic.
Lately I've been feeling kinda low.
And then look back.
And she looked back over her shoulder.
Left side.
Pointed at the sign hanging up on the wall.
And
say everything's gonna
move the legs,
be
move the legs.
alright. Everything's gonna be alright.
Nobody.
And nobody's gotta worry about nothing. Don't go hitting that panic button. It ain't worth spilling your drink.
And
Everything's gonna be alright. Alright. Alright.
the courtesy, hands on the chair.
Nodded my head and said that's for
back,
sure. Dropped a
side,
few butts in the
front,
mason jar. Got
side,
those good
back,
old neon
and
vibes on me.
other side.
And whatever monkey that was
Back,
on my back, he
side,
jumped off just
front,
like that. Right
side,
into the
back,
deep blue
and
sea.
dip down. side.
Thinking about
Make
the
it
sun
bigger.
hanging up on the wall.
And
Let's say everything's gonna be.
And maybe you can catch the eyes of your neighbor and tell everything is gonna be alright. Okay.
Nobody's gotta worry about nothing. Don't go hitting that panic. It
Yes.
ain't near as bad as you think. Everything's gonna be alright. Alright. Alright.
So we push the energy away, the negative one. Center and left and back to center. Hands and the walking gait.
There ain't no
Just
doubt
walking place.
it's gonna
It doesn't matter.
work out. Come on, sing it with me.
We change.
There ain't no doubt it's gonna work out. Come on and sing it
Yes,
with me.
sir. Good.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Move a little bit, bend a little bit the knee. This is
Be alright. And nobody's gotta worry about nothing. Don't go hitting that panic button. It ain't near as bad as you think. Everything's gonna be alright. Alright. Alright.
one more round.
Everything's gonna be alright. Alright. Alright.
Okay, left hand on the chair and open to the side, right. And come back. Change. And open.
It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be
And both. Well done. Oh, very good. And we come back on the chair. Let's scooch forward on the chair. Let's take 3 big breaths in and out. So we inhale, arms all the way up, make yourself long. Exhale, bring it down. You can breathe out through the mouth. Inhale up. Exhale through the mouth. And the last one. Slowing up and down. And release. And thank you so much for practicing with me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.